Welcome back to another Wealth Code video, guys. Like, subscribe, and comment if you want to see more of our great videos. At just 14 years old, Jacob Monroe sat hunched over his desk, overwhelmed by the allure of Wall Street. His passion erupted after watching a documentary on the New York Stock Exchange, igniting a fire within him. Weighed down by the harsh realities of his family's financial struggles, Jacob envisioned a life transformed through trading. It wasn't just numbers on a screen, it was a lifeline. Late nights disappeared into studying the stock market, where he dissected the performance of tech giants like Apple and Tesla. He saved every dollar from his allowance, meticulously investing in fractional shares. Friends teased him for passion, but Jacob ignored the jibes, focused instead on online communities and forums where traders shared insights. The stock market wasn't merely a hobby, it became an obsession, a promise of a better future. With every trading session, he felt closer to his dream, unaware that his resolve would soon be tested like never before, leading him onto an unexpected path. Jacob made his first investment in March 2021, pouring $50 into GameStop, a $400 share that recently captivated millions. His fingers trembled with excitement and anxiety as he pressed the buy button, heart racing while awaiting the results. The momentum moved swiftly. Over weeks, Jacob watched in disbelief as meme stock frenzy transformed his modest investment into nearly $500. Friends nonchalantly dismissed it. However, Jacob knew this was just a small taste of what was possible. Thrilled, he shared his strategy on Reddit with a growing online community, finding support and camaraderie among like-minded individuals. Days turned into nights of volatility and exhilaration, unearthing both his triumphs and failures. But it wasn't long until reality hit hard, leaving him grappling with losses as rapidly as his gains. Jacob faced a gut-wrenching choice: dissolve his dreams after one setback or double down on learning from his mistakes. The choice would shape him profoundly, building confidence and resilience he never realized he had. By summer 2021, Jacob's trading took a stark turn. The market underwent fluctuations, with tech stocks tumbling and rookies were losing painfully. Jacob, despite his early success, found himself increasingly overwhelmed. After diversifying into electric vehicle stocks, he was swept away by the hype, only to watch his selected stocks plummet steeply. His tenacity, once invigorating, became burdensome. Reality set in when he lost over $2,000 in one disastrous week, money he couldn't simply afford to lose. Sleep escaped him. Anxiety pooled in the places of adolescent dreams. Would Wall Street see him as merely another casualty? The pinnacle of triumph turned to disillusionment as his dreams of grandeur faded. Yet, for Jacob, retreat wasn't an option. To rise, he needed to delve deeper, understanding the ins and outs of market mechanics, the critical importance of a diversified portfolio, and that patience often outstrips the fleeting thrill of the chase. The blend of disappointment and hope would teach him vital lessons, refining his strategies for what lay ahead. Determined, Jacob shifted his perspectives on trading. He dived into books like The Intelligent Investor and sought wisdom from seasoned traders on platforms such as YouTube. Embracing his failures, he transformed each misstep into a lesson learned. Jacob began devouring knowledge about macroeconomics, risk management, and day trading psychology. He found solace in online webinars, collaborating with peers to assess strategies through trial and error. The more he absorbed, the more his understanding blossomed. Jacob identified the incredible significance of discipline in managing trades, both winners and losers. By August, he formulated a solid trading plan outlining his newfound principles. only gamble what he could afford to lose, learn to cut losses short, and hold winners longer. He felt reborn, a phoenix rising from financial ashes. This journey wasn't merely for profit anymore. It had become about ensuring he could make informed choices. Each piece of knowledge equipped him further, slowly but surely steering him away from becoming another casualty in the relentless market. Embracing the spirit of collaboration, Jacob reached out to fellow traders, eager to form a community. In September 2021, he established a Discord channel, calling it Future Traders Unite, a haven for young enthusiasts to share experiences. Invitations distributed among friends morphed into a vibrant community, where they collectively navigated the intricacies of trading. The discussions thrived with insights regarding risk management, stock options, and market trends. Jacob reveled in the knowledge sharing, understanding that echoed what he had learned through hard lessons. Late nights led to shared successes, failures, and debates over charts and news releases, forging bonds stronger than fleeting friendships. The emotional support prompted each member to re-evaluate their trading instincts and sharpen analytical skills. With every trade they discussed, Jacob and his peers grew more confident, realizing that losing trades could be dissected and learned from, transforming their vulnerabilities into strengths. This camaraderie motivated him to push boundaries. When doubts whispered again, he had a network backing him with unwavering encouragement, reinforcing one fundamental truth. Together, they could conquer any market challenge. After months of thriving in his trading community, Jacob faced his next hurdle. As he approached his 17th birthday, an electrifying opportunity emerged: an internship with an investment firm in New York City. The prospect illuminated his aspirations. However, excitement intertwined with fear. Stepping into this fast-paced environment meant leaving the comfort of his curated community. Should he leave behind his budding group and dive into the corporate world? Jacob pondered for days. Would this experience usher him toward crushing his goals or attempt to stifle his spirit? Each heart-pounding moment fueled the tension within him until finally, in late November, he took the leap. Jacob applied, hoping his extensive self-study and community interactions would be enough to impress. His friends stood by him, urging him to embrace the leap into the reality of big trading. Filled with determination, he submitted his application, holding on to every ounce of confidence he'd built, aware that whether he succeeded or failed, the journey would impart lifelong lessons. By January 2022, Jacob's wish became reality. He began his internship at an established hedge fund. Immersing himself in the world of finance was awe-inspiring. Surrounded by seasoned traders and analysts, he found himself both intimidated and energized. Days filled with market research, analyzing complex charts, and using cutting-edge trading tools opened his eyes to the brutal reality of high-stakes trading. He learned that numbers revealed stories, but emotions often dictated actions. His mentors taught him the importance of data competency and extreme discipline in executing trades, an experience that transcended what he learned on Reddit or Discord. One pivotal moment occurred when a senior trader invited him to analyze an upcoming tech IPO. With his gaze fixated on the screens, Jacob made insightful suggestions, earning a nod of approval. In that brief exchange, he felt a surge of validation. It was no longer just a dream, it was tangible. This chain of events fueled an unwavering resilience in him that fortified his trading spirit, marking his evolution from a boy with a dream to a young man wielding knowledge and purpose. On February 14, 2022, Jacob experienced the moment that would redefine his career. While reviewing a critical pitch for a prominent tech stock, he noticed a minor error in an analysis differing from his professionals. Time seemed to freeze. Should he voice his intuition? His heart raced. Summoning bravery, he approached his mentor, pointing out discrepancies that could affect their forecasting. To Jacob's astonishment, his analysis prompted rigorous discussions and adjustments within the team. To validate his concerns, the lead trader analyzed the charts, verifying his insights. That day, Jacob learned the value of trusting his instincts. While young and inexperienced, he realized his unique perspective, blending youthful enthusiasm with newfound knowledge, was a powerful asset. Moments later, an epic surge in the market shattered expectations, driving profits skyward. Jacob realized he played a role in that success. Security filled him as he grasped that taking risks sometimes leads to the most profound rewards. This realization transformed his view of himself. No longer just an intern, he turned into an asset, where he recognized confidence mingled beautifully with informed intuition. In this journey through dreams, trials, and triumphs, Jacob Monroe emerged as a beacon of resilience and tenacity. His path illuminated that true success transcends mere financial gain. It lies in continuous learning, networking, and trust in oneself. The turning point taught Jacob an invaluable lesson, that courage and insight often reside within youth. Your passion, combined with wisdom from both successes and failures, can pave the way for illuminating paths ahead. Today, Jacob is actively involved in coaching others, sharing his story, and encouraging aspiring traders to build communities, face fears, and trust their instincts. For anyone yearning to navigate the complexities of trading, remember, perseverance amidst setbacks cultivates strength, assuring dreams manifest into realities. Ready to unlock your potential and delve into the world of trading? Join us at Wealth Code today, where you can embark on your own transformative journey, finding the freedom that comes with mastering financial knowledge. Together, we can illuminate the path toward your wealth. For more videos from Wealth Code, don't forget to like and subscribe.